Nakita mo na. Narinig mo na lahat. Kaming tatlo ditong senador, we are appealing to you to please give these people peace of mind. Ibalik sa kanila yung property. Hindi mo kaya gawin yan?
What is the end game? For the children and for the parents, the end game is they want to go back to school, but they cannot because the basement of their school is being used as treasure hunting. So, sir, my plea, General Torre, please, sir, listen to the children. If you will not listen to religious leaders or to lawyers, listen to the plea of the children. Please, sir, get out of JMC so that at least they can already study in school.
Even before they entered, there were no tunnels and there are no bunkers or tunnels underneath. Can we ask him point of the honor?
Attorney yun, kahit na hindi natin siya tanungin, klaro mo talagang walang existence yan. Kasi kung may existence ng tunnel na yan, after 13 days, nakuha na nila yan.
Sir, that's part of my presentation.
What the intent of General Torre is to deceive the senators, so that when we went there this morning, the place was so different. Maybe 75% of police were gone. So
Napagkahin natin magpagsabi dito. Magpagsabi dito. Kung tayo naglulukuhan dito, din
Mr. Chair, naglulukuhan po. Naglulukuhan tayo dito, Mr. Chair.
Ganun ang gusto nila.
Tinatawagan na namin ng lahat. Sino bang nag-utos sa taas? Bakit hindi mapaalis? Ang TPO hindi niya sinusunod. Nag-appeal kami sa Court of Appeals, dinidismiss. Itong si DOJ Remulla, kakasuhan niya yung judge na nag-issue ng TPO. What do we expect from this country now? And nobody of these officers is standing up to the truth. Nakikinig lang sila kay General Torre. Nakikinig sila sa lahat na kasinungalingan. Frankly speaking, sir, I did not want to attend the third hearing anymore. I don't want to be subjected to more lies. Na Polcom, DOJ, Asensya na DILG. Sir, alam niyo, nakadalawang hearing na tayo sa Manila. Nag-promise si Marbil, okay, we will go to Davao and make peace. Wala na kaming checkpoint and everything. Eto na pangalawa, si DILG Secretary, nag-promise din, di ba sa harap niyo, sir, hindi po police minisisi. Pero sinabi niya yun sa Senado, aayusin niya. Kinabukasan pupunta sa Davao. What happened, sir? Where are they now? And lumalala yung ginagawa nila sa KOJC. Ulitin ko po uli, hindi kailanman tumatakas si Pastor mabatas. Because Pastor has taught us we will not be like this. If Pastor did not teach us and inculcate in us the truth, ang katuwiran, ang kabutihan, ang pag-ibig, hindi basta-basta ang dinadamdam namin. Andito yung mga pulis, pwede ba may manindigan kahit isa? Ano ba talagang boses? Wala na ba talaga tayong batas? Please lang, I'm appealing to this honorable body. Wala kami narinig. Ever since June 10, namatayan na kami ng dalawa. Ngayon namatayan na naman kami ulit. Sir, yun lang. Can you please let them just go out of our compound? Kasi alam ko, so meron kami intent, 21 of September, magmamartial si Torre at forcefully paalisin kami lahat. Hihintayin pa ba natin yan? Hihintayin pa ba natin na mapuno na lahat ang mga kingdom citizen? May mga dugo na talagang dadanak. How long can we hold on? How long? How long will the suffering continue? Because of the abusive brutalization. Police, ang tao na dapat namin asahan na mag-protect sa amin. Sir, they are terrorizing, brutalizing, abusing.
Thank you.
Cannot
General Torre.
What's happening?
Yeah, thank you. General Torre. You can sit down. Narinig na natin ang lahat. the decision to pull out your throat within your power? Yes, sir. Therefore, nobody is ordering you to stay put, and nobody is ordering you to continue on with the illegal sex.
I always consult with my superior, sir, but the ultimate decision falls into my shoulders, sir.
Okay. So nakita mo na. Narinig mo na lahat. Kaming tatlo ditong senador, they're appealing to you to please give these people peace of mind. Ibalik sa kanila yung property. Hindi mo kaya gawin yan?
Before I give the answer, sir, can I make my presentation so that I can comprehensively address all the issues?
Your presentation. Kasi alam mo, ganito yan, Nick. Ganito yan. If the decision is within your level, as the regional director, alam mo, if we have a government agency under the executive branch of government that does not listen to the recommendations, to the pleas of this committee, of this Senate committee, we have a government agency that does not follow court orders. We are therefore creating a situation na masasabi natin there is a constitutional crisis. And are you willing to place your name as the very person that caused the constitutional crisis?
I don't think that is applicable in this case, sir. If you will allow me, before to answer my question, to answer your question, before that, can you allow me to present?
Very liberal to you.
Thank you, sir.
Very liberal to you. Even though you are not so liberal in interpreting court orders. Magpasalamat kayo dahil nirevoke na ng Court of Appeals yung TPO coming from RPC. But I will be very liberal to you. I will listen to you.
Mr. Chair?
Huh?
Mr. Chair?
Yes.
May I speak? The KOJC have spoken. The church has spoken, but the children are still not speaking. I represent 6,246 children of the JMC. They have not been able to go to class. They have to go homeschooling, causing chaos in their families because their parents cannot work, causing uncomfortableness to the children because they cannot learn the best way that they can, which is supposed to be in school. And we know that after COVID, that face-to-face is the best. And they cannot do that, especially for the medical students who need hands-on practice. Children are supposed to be zones of peace. Senator Bongo was asking, what is the end game? For the children and for the parents, the end game is they want to go back to school, but they cannot because the basement of their school is being used as treasure hunting. So, sir, my plea, General Torre, please, sir, listen to the children. If you will not listen to religious leaders or to lawyers, listen to the plea of children. Please, sir, get out of JMC so that at least they can already study peacefully. Let them remain zones of peace. Thank you, Senator.
Thank you. Nag-iusapan, may-ari na yun ang property, nagiging usapan ninyo. You are occupying their property. Sila na mismo nag-iusap sa inyo. I don't know what more, sir, please can be that what are other pleas that you want to hear before you act accordingly.
Sir,
but please patapusin mo na natin si Dr.
Sir, may I add something, sir?
Yeah.
at 1:14 p.m. this afternoon, right after you finished your ocular inspection and when everybody pulled out, the police came back in force. So they are back there, sir, in force. I have pictures here, sir, on my cell phone to prove it.
Thank you for that information.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, so the information that Attorney Naina provided you, what does that say, Mr. Chair? Now, what the intent of General Torre is to deceive the senators, so that when we went there this morning, the place was so different. Maybe 75% of police were gone. So
napagkain natin magpagsabi dito. Kung tayo naglulukuhan dito din,
Mr. Chair, naglulukuhan po. Naglulukuhan tayo dito, Mr. Chair.
Ganun ang gusto nila.
Mr. Chair, pwede ko bang pa-play yung video para makita mo, makilala mo kung sino yung nasa kaharap mo na kumakausap sa'yo. Sa'yo lang nagre-respeto, pero sa mga simpleng ordinaryong mamamayan na kanyang unang mandato ay wala siyang karespeto.
Please play the video.
About sa diging na yung allegation ni Atty. Torre yan, let him prove that. Wala akong sinasabi muna dyan sa mga bagay na yan, sapagkat yan ay allegation nila. Let him prove it. Yan ang gusto nila. Sige, let him prove it also.
Pero may photos and videos.
Ilabas nila yung nagbigay ng photo at pakita niya rin ng, alam niya ng batas, paano dyan? Ilabas niya yung takang nagbigay at bigyan niya rin ng short statement kasi kaya kong gawin yan sa loob ng Photoshop. Sa loob ng
Dito, Mr. Chair, napakaliwanag ng pag-admit na sa inyo. Pero sa publiko, wala siyang pakialam, wala siyang respeto sa Pilipino. Pwede siyang magsinungaling ng hayagan. Mr. Chair, just to answer your question, Senator Bongo's question, what is the end game? The end game of the people of KOJC, of which I'm not a member of, but I've come to learn to love them, is the end game of every Filipino. At the end of the day, you just want to go home, you enjoy your family, you just want to worship your God in peace, you just want to sing and dance because there are a group of people that want to sing and dance, but even those simple pleasures have been taken away from them because of this petty tyrant, General Nicolas Torre.
Thank you. Sir,
Your Honor, before I proceed, Your Honor, we have, I do hope General Torre will not deny this. The Proton Elic, Your Honor, is a very powerful equipment. I think this came from abroad, probably the US, I'm not sure, but we did our research. It's from abroad. It can detect the bunker or tunnel underneath. And can you please ask him, Your Honor, because they were using this Proton Elic, and accordingly, we have credible information that the readings were negative, that there are no, because they conducted the test even before they entered. There were no tunnels and there are no bunkers or tunnels underneath. Can we ask him point out, Your Honor?
Atty. Torre, kahit na hindi natin siya tanungin, lalo mo talagang walang existence yan. Kasi kung may existence ng tunnel na yan, after 13 days, nakuha na nila yan.
Sir, that's part of my presentation. That will be answered in the slide, sorry, I should have said.
Hey, bilisan natin. Are you willing to forego with your representation para matapos ang
Mr.
session?
Chair, excuse me, Mr. Chair.
Yeah.
Did I understand it right that you would cite him for contempt if you caught him lying?
Yeah, tapos na yung video disability. I just said him.
He lied, Mr. Chair.
Why?
With that video, he said here na he denied it here that there wasn't such a video.
Paano niya sinabi?
Sinabi niya na wala pong video, wala pong press con na gano'n. Hindi siya nag-press con at hindi niya
Did you
dinay.
say that? Wala ka ko, gano'n?
Can we ask the record, sir, to back this transcript?
Please.
check sa records.
About sa diging na yung allegation ni Atty. Torrio niyan, non-improve that. Wala akong sinasabi muna dyan sa mga bagay na yan, sapagkat yan ay allegation nila. Let them prove it. Yan ang gusto nila. Sige, let them prove it also.
Pero may photos and videos.
Ilabas nila yung nagbigay ng photo at ipakita niya rin ang, alam niya ang batas, paano dyan? Ilabas niya yung taong nagbigay. Bigyan niya rin ng sworn statement kasi kaya kong gawin yan sa loob ng Photoshop.
Sa loob ng
In the interest of time, habang binabag-play niyo yan, we will continue para mga oras.